A very good morning to all. Welcome back to English online classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. How are you, my dear children? Did you read yesterday's story? What's the name of the story? Yeah, A Visit to Grandfather. We have already taken a small portion of this lesson. Who is the main character of this story? Yes, it is Poonam. Where is she going? Yeah, she is going to visit her grandfather. She is very happy. Why is she very happy? Because she is visiting her loving grandfather. Grandfather has a big garden. Not only big garden, two pets, a duck and a cat. What is the name of the cat? Bilbo. Who is taking her to the grandfather? Yes, mother. And who is driving the car? Yes, that is also mother. We have taken till this. Today we can continue the next portion. Okay, so all of you take page number 55. So all of you take this page. Did you see this page? Yeah. So let us be ready. Grandpa walks with a stick. Now they are in the garden. They are walking through the garden. Grandpa walks with a stick. I hold his hand. Bilbo chases duck around the garden. We sit on the grass. We sing songs. Bilbo and I love Grandpa's songs. Oh no, it's time to go home. I want to be with Grandpa, Bilbo and Duck. We will come again on Saturday, says Mother. Oh yes, Mama, please. Thank you, Grandpa. Bye. Bye, Poonam. So, Grandpa is walking with a stick. You can see in this picture, there is a stick with Grandpa. This stick is used by old people for a support. Grandpa is walking with the help of this stick. It is a walking stick. I hope all of you see this walking stick, right? Yeah, good. I hold his hand. I hold his hand. Poonam hold the grandpa's hand. Poonam holds the grandpa's hand. Bilbo chases duck around the garden. So Bilbo is running after the duck. We sit on the grass. We sing songs. Bilbo and I love Grandpa's songs. So Poonam, Grandpa, Bilbo used to sit on the grass and they sing songs. Poonam says that Bilbo and Poonam loves Grandpa's songs. Oh no, it is time to go home. At last what happened? It is time to go back to their home. Poonam is very sad. Why? Because they have to return their home. So Poonam says, I want to be with Grandpa, Bilbo and Duck. Poonam says that she wants to be with Grandpa. So Mother says, we will come again on Saturday. Don't worry, Poonam. We will come on next Saturday also. Mother says that we will come back on next Saturday. Hearing this, Poonam was very happy. She says, oh yes ma, please. And she says, thank you to Grandpa. And she says, bye. Bye Grandpa. Thank you Grandpa. Bye. So Grandpa says that, bye Poonam. Bye. At last they went back to their home. That is the story. Now we shall do some textual activities of page number 54 and 55. So get ready. Dear children, take page number 54. Complete these sentences. First one, duck says dash. What's the answer? Yeah, duck says quack, quack. Q-U-A-C-K. Q-U-A-C-K. Second question, they take a walk in the dash. They take a walk in the dash. What's the answer? Answer is garden. Spelling G-A-R-D-E-N. Dear children, now take page number 55. Let us understand. Section A. Complete these sentences. First question. Poonam goes to meet Grandpa every dash. Answer. Saturday. Spelling S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Write the answer there. Second question. Grandpa's house has a big garden. What's the spelling of garden? G-A-R-D-E-N. Write the answer. Third question. Grandpa has a dash and a dash as pets. Which are the pets? Yeah, cat and a duck. C-A-T, cat. D-U-C-K, duck. Write the answers there. My dear children, read the textbook 10 times. Go through the difficult words. I have attached the new words in your Google Classroom. You have to take down those words in your notebook and you should write very neatly. Also do the textual activities that we have taken today. Till then, take care. Thank you.